पैदल मार्च जो निकाला आपने, ये जो है डेडलॉक जो है तो चला आ रहा है. What do you want to say about it?
All I want to say is that justice will be served, parliamentary democracy and parliamentary procedures will be restored, and this government will have to apologize to the nation for trying to do unconstitutional things, introduce undemocratic manner to suspend MPs. They will learn a lesson from this.
Chairman is asking to tender apology.
I will not apologize. It's not possible to apologize for speaking up on people's issues. It is impossible to say we are sorry because we spoke on an insurance bill where you all were trying to privatize these insurance companies, which were Sarkari companies, where you were trying to put at risk lakhs of employees who employed there, lakhs of investors who invested there. We will not say sorry for speaking up for the farmers. We will not say sorry for speaking up on public issues.
Session is in the motion. The Prime Minister is not present. What do you want to say about it?
When people don't respect parliamentary democracy and parliamentary system, what more can I say about it?